Okay, so um, I've been posting my signal, my trading signal on the group, and some people have been telling me that they don't understand what I've been posting. So it's very simple. Let me just explain to you what I've been posting now. All right. So I post something on the group here, Euros JPY. Euro JPY. Please listen very carefully. Euro JPY. Put my entry point. Entry point is the price you want to use to enter the market. Entry point is if you don't want to enter on market execution. Okay, that is the price to enter rather than enter on market execution. And once the price get there, it is going to be triggered. So in this particular point, I made mention of Euro JPY, and my entry point is 127.918, and I put buy limit. I'm talking about this point now. I put buy limit. Okay, I put my TP value, that's take profit value, to be 128.744, and I put the SL, the stop loss value, to be 127.676. So let's go back to the chart and see how we can use that to open a trade. So just go to your MT4. Very simple. Go to your MT4. Okay, this is an MT4. Let's use the slant mode, and let's change it to Japanese candlestick. Let's change the time frame to H4 time frame. Okay, so what's the current price? The current price is you can view that on the M1. The current price is okay, sorry, let's change it to Euro USD. Sorry, Euro JPY. Okay. Okay, Euro JPY. This is Euro JPY. Okay, can you see it? Okay, so click it, and the current price is 128.988. Okay, and we are to enter at 127.918. It means we want to enter lower than the current market price. And what pending order are we going to use? Buy limit. I told you that buy limit is used to enter what did I open it with? Sorry. Okay, sorry for that. So I said pending order is used to enter a trade when the currency price is not getting there. So at present, the 127.918 is around this point. 127.918. Okay, we can see it on the M1. Let's go to the H4. 127.918. 127.918 is around this point. 127.918. Okay, 914. 91 around this place, around this side. Okay, so around this point. So this is where we want to buy, and the current price is above it, so we are going to use a buy limit order. How do you use a buy limit order? Just click on this this one that I showed you here. um um sorry, this plus sign I showed you here. So click on it. If you have not watch how to use MT4, please go watch. So click on the order. You see market execution. Click on the market execution, then choose buy limit. Then here you are going to insert the price which you want to buy, and that is 127 point what 127.918. Then click on next. Then next we should be a stop loss, which will be the stop loss is 127.676. click on done. Then the stop loss, sorry, this is the take profit. Okay, we'll put the take profit. Okay, so the take profit is 128.744. okay, sorry for that, 128.744. click on done, while the stop loss is 127.676. okay, click on done. Then you place your order. You see the place here, you can, this lot size you can change it to probably 0.1 as the lot size you want to use, depend. Okay, so you can use any lot size you want. So I'm just telling you how to change lot size. Then click on next, then click on place. Then you see that your order has been placed. Open, click on done. Then you can check your placed order here. You can see that this is your placed order. It has not been triggered because price has not gotten to that position. This is where price is. This is where your order is. Okay, this is your order. This is your order. The order is in green, the buy limit is in green. This is your TP level and this is your stop loss level. Can you see that now? This is how to place your order. So once the price gets to this point, the trade will be open and be triggered. Okay, now to calculate your risk to reward ratio, your expected loss and expected profit, I taught you how to use your hand to calculate it, because as my student you have to be sound in calculation. However, in some instances where you have to open on market execution, you might not have the time and everything to open to be calculating. So as such, I told you to go and download a trading journal. This is a FX journal. An FX journal is used to calculate your risk, your expected risk or loss, your expected profit or reward, your risk to reward ratio, and other things. So yeah, I use PL. Just click on the PL calculator. PL calculator. Okay. Instrument. Euro. Type Euro JPY as we've picked Euro JPY. Can you see? Then it is a long trade, right? So just click on the long. Then the entry level is the price we enter. That is 127.918. That's 127.918. Then lot size I use 0.1 lot size. Okay. Stop loss I use 120. Stop loss I use 127.676, and my take profit I use 128.744. My account balance, your account balance, just let's say is 100. Okay, 100. Then your equity is in USD, right? You can change it to anyone. If it's in naira, let's see, I think there's naira there. NGN. This is naira. Let me see if naira is there. IJKLM. Okay, NGN is there. Okay, NGN is there. For those that are using Nigerian account, you can check it here. Okay, so yeah, for those that are using Nigerian account, I think I give my students 10,000 naira demo account. So and 10,000 naira trading bonus. So you can put just 10,000 naira here, then click on calculate. It will calculate your risk. Your Nigerian risk is 8,670. Your reward is 29,593 naira. Your risk to reward ratio is 1:3.41. Let's change it back to dollar. Okay, this is for, I just explained this for those that are using naira account, because you can calculate your risk to reward ratio in naira too. That's why I use it, especially those my paid students that I gave the 10,000 naira bonus. You can calculate your expected profit and expected loss to know whether you can take the trade or not, because your account is limited. Okay, so now let me go back to USD now, because most of us use USD account. IDKLM. Okay, USD now, USD. So just press on calculate. Can you see your risk? Minus $22.82. Your reward is $77.88. Your risk is 1. Your reward is 3.41. So the risk to reward ratio is 1:3.41, which is a good ratio. Now you understand what risk to reward ratio is. I don't need to explain to you here. You know what risk to reward ratio is, and you know how to apply it. So this is how to use your trading journal. I hope you learned a lot today. How to use your how to set entry point, TP, stop loss, and how to use your trading journal. So I am sure you understand better. So take care of yourself. Make sure you always use this trading journal. Okay, I'm not done with this trading journal. Thank God I remembered. Now, if you want to check the trade, you can be using your journal. Okay, on this date you opened a trade of Kinecon, just click on OK. Then base currency USD, enter balance, 200, save. This is just to put the this is just for you to be following your trading, to be checking your trading history and how you took the trade. Okay, so we have indices, but you guys, you trade forex, so just click on any currency pair you trade, maybe Euro CAD, then trading date, trade setup, how you set the trade, describe pattern, time frame, etc. Then are you long, entry level, stop loss, take position, then you calculate. Okay, so now the performance here it will be showed here because you journal it. Then the compound calculator here is to show you your growth, your monthly deposit, and other things. So this is the most important thing that you need to know or trading journal. So I think I'm done. So just take care of yourself and enjoy yourself. Bye bye.